In this video, we are going to see how Slovenia Post shipping integration will work with Odoo. So, I will give you some brief about Slovenia Post shipping integration. So, Slovenia Post shipping integration offers reliable shipping solutions, and this shipping integration becomes absolutely crucial for you. So this integration will helps to connect with Slovenia Post shipping carrier with Odoo. So you don't need to go to Slovenia Post dashboard to perform your various operations. Like we can say that generate label, track your parcel, and etc. So from here you can perform all these operations which I just mentioned. Okay, so now we move ahead to configuration part. So in configuration there are two types of configuration. First is company level configuration. So we go to settings menu, users and companies menu. So in that, if we open one of the company, you can find Slovenia Post configuration tab over here. So in that, when you click on this checkbox, you will find all the details over here. So you have to select or you have to enter details regarding Slovenia Post API URL, username, password, post ID, branch ID, contract ID, and client ID. So these all details you will get from Slovenia Post provider, right? So after that you have to set all the details over here. So this is one time configuration. You don't need to change these details every time, right? So this is the first part of configuration, right? So now we move ahead to our second part of configuration, which is shipping method. So we go to sales menu, configuration, and shipping methods. So we already created one record related to Slovenia Post shipping method. So I'm opening this record. So in that you have to select Slovenia Post as a provider. So when you're selecting Slovenia Post as a provider, you will find this configuration tab over here. So in that you have to select company and package. So you have to select that company in which company you set all the details regarding authentication, right? And regarding package, so we given by default, we can say that packet types with carrier code provided by Slovenia Post. So these all are the records, or we can say that packages we given in the integration part or in the package. So you have to select as per your need. So for example, parcel supplier, and it will consider carrier code as a 106. So it will require to ship the we can say that parcel, and we get in return some tracking information data and label, right? So we selected as of now Moch packet mini, right? So this is the second part of configuration. So now we move ahead to integration part. So we create now new sale order. We just create selecting customer. Just a minute. SI company. We selected Slovenia customer. Now we add product. In that, after that, we have to select shipping method. So there is two way to add shipping method. From sale order, you can select shipping method from this button. So you have to add shipping, and in that you have to select shipping method. So we select Slovenia Post. Okay, so we have to just add this record, and you can see that this record is created. And when we confirm this order, delivery order is created. So we go to delivery order, and here you can see that in additional info, Slovenia Post selected by default as a courier. So if you want to select or change shipping method from delivery order, then you can change or select from here. Okay, so now we just validate this order after setting quantity. So we set one quantity, and when we click on validate, we export this order to Slovenia Post with product details, customer details, etc. So in return, Slovenia Post will provide tracking reference number and label. So now we click on validate button. It will take some time to process. Yes, so this order is validated successfully. You can see that success message over here, and in return, Slovenia Post give us tracking reference number and label. So this is the label of Slovenia Post with all the details we just passed. Okay, and so these are the functionalities regarding shipping label we get, tracking reference number we get, and export the order from Odoo to Slovenia Post. So there is one more functionality regarding tracking. So this button is available here. So when you click on this tracking button, you will redirect to Slovenia Post URL, and you have to enter your tracking reference number, and you can search or you can track your parcel. Okay. So these all are the details regarding Slovenia Post shipping integration with Odoo. Thank you.